which I don't like. So fuck this. We're not gonna use you. If anyone is wondering, I'm looking at the Sin Machine virtual camera, changing this aim thingy. So this is where I'm getting the values and I'm putting the values in. Yeah. So we're getting the X and the Y, and we're just putting the X and the Y. But why are you so slow all of a sudden? And the values are very small. Why? So what if I remove this? Well, okay, what if we don't scale it? Right? There's no way that this 20% is the one is what changes it so much. Keep looking at the cat. Sorry. It is. Look at that. No, it's not. Can I do this now? Mouse. Why? Okay. You know what? Here's another question. What is it? The Cine Machine aim POV? Cine Machine. I wish that was the solution. Illegal crayon. How are you doing? Cine Machine POV access multiple. Actually, we don't need the multiple access input. I think we can do it all from the code again. The name of the access is specified in the unit manager to disable the automatic update. What can we do? Well, okay, what if we don't normalize it? Right, then we get the big values as we expect. Oh my god, it's so weird. It has a very weird feeling to it. What are the values we're getting there? Yeah, we get like integers. Like big numbers. What if we do that? Okay, adds. Ads are over soon, and I'm gonna bring you guys a cat. Still insane. Okay, I have another solution. We need to change this name. Oh, there's a sensitivity here. Huh. Okay. We're out of ads. Let me bring you the cat that I've been talking about for so long. Because I want some cuddles. Yeah. Here's a sleepy cat. She's very unhappy with me waking her up. How you doing? You're so cute. I'm gonna put you back, or you're gonna go back to sleep. She's so unhappy I woke her up. Let me try putting her back. Okay, we will see. So far, now she's starting to move. No, I think she accepted it. Oh, look at her. Okay, so you know what I can do? Here, instead of getting it from the player singleton look input, what if I get it from the input that get axes mouse x? So this and that. Right? This should work the same way as it's working now with me just putting in the names. Hello there. Hey, Clorindy. How are you doing? Let's see if this works. Boop. I don't know what she's doing. I'm also doing good. I just cuddled the cat and it was sleepy and sweet. Okay, so this feels good. This feels the same. This is good. Then we can do. Oh, the camera's stuck. Doop. There you go. Then here. So I am using the old input system though, which I hate. But whatever. We can do this thing. So we're gonna do the input that get axes, right? Hey, there you go. So you see how many things we have in here? We have, so the horizontal and the vertical, that's what we want to change. Because we have two things named the same, you see, horizontal, vertical, and horizontal, vertical. Yeah, that's not good. I don't know why it's like that. It's very weird. We need to change this. So this should be game gamepad X and gamepad Y. Yeah. So now if we save this and we go here, yeah, now we see gamepad X, gamepad Y. So let's take that. Just boop, boop. Gamepad, undo these two, go back, save, let it recompile. Yeah, I'm glad Luna went back to sleep and she didn't wake up. That's good. Now let's grab the controller. It's not working. Shit. Oh well. And you thought this is going to be easy. Why? Okay, that's fine. You know why that's fine? Because when we're using the controller, we will be using this. When we're using keyboard, we're going to be using this. Like that. So what we need to do now is to understand how we do the switch between a controller and a keyboard. So private void on controls, control device changed, and this needs a string device. So we're just gonna do this boolean here, is gamepad. We're gonna do update look, right? And here we're gonna do if is gamepad, do these two things. Else, do these two things. Stop it. There you go. Also, there's no need to separate these. I don't care about line length. There you go. I should change this, just this thing. I don't know how or where. Okay, and then on start, we're gonna say input player input handler singleton that is gamepad. And I'm gonna say is gamepad equals that. And then here is gamepad equals device dot, or rather layer input handler. We need you equals device. Device. Can I stop misspelling device? There you go. Now grab this. Do layer input handler dot singleton dot on controls changed equals that. And then on destroy that. We don't really need the on destroy, but let it be. Oh, we need to change these. You guys didn't tell me. Okay, there you go. So if it's a gamepad, we're going to be using the look input. If it's not a gamepad, we're going to be looking into the mouse and mouse X, mouse Y. So let's save that. Let's go back. There. Yeah. So let's close you. Let's run you. Let's make sure that everything is working. Oh, wait. Did it not work because of... Okay, no. It just didn't work. So this works. This feels, yeah, this feels pretty natural. Okay, now let's try the controller. Well, I don't know about this controller sensitivity, so we need to add the slider for that. For the controller sensitivity, but yeah. It's very hard. I don't understand how people play shooters with controllers. I think they're crazy. Did the bullet just bounce off of you? Can you die? Come on. Oh my God. Okay. Even this is to does this do anything? No. Wait, since when is the mouse sensitivity broken? Um, okay, so are you going to add a reticle? Reticle? I don't know what it is. Probably not, since I don't know what it is. Wait, what is it? Oh, the a dot for aiming. Oh, okay, that's what you meant. No. No. Yeah, this is something the people in the jam were talking about constantly. Everyone were asking me um about that. But I want to, because the whole point of this game is a pray and spray. It's not a carefully aim and shoot them in the head. You know, where was it? So many people talked about the aiming. Here, same thing as you said. yeah, that was the only comment really from people, that the aiming was hard. Where did I go? Here's another one. Would love to have one. No, I'm not giving you what you want. You're not getting it. Yeah, but that's why. Well, that's why I added the aim assist. That's why I added the bullets trail line. Yeah. What do you want? It comes from the buttons? What? What is this song? I don't like these. Where's the playlist? I saved like a few playlists. Where are they? Sure, we're gonna go back to this. There you go. What were we doing? Oh yeah, so that's something we need to do before the playtest, to add a mounted mouse, to fix the mouse sensitivity. Rather, I don't know why it stopped working. So the mouse sensitivity, okay, that goes to the settings. Oh, yeah, that's fine. So the value is equal to that. Then we change this camera speed. And time it by 6? What? What kind of bullshit is this? What? Why 6? Okay. That's kind of weird. So there are a few ways. Yeah, I don't know. Where's my player? Player. There you go. What is the speed camera? What is that? Max speed. What are you doing? Also, camera froze again. The maximum speed of the axis in units, or the input value multiplier depending on the speed mode. Okay. I don't see any differences. Nothing. Debnor? Nor? Debnor? Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. How you doing? Trying to figure this out. So it gives you the value, and it sets that to the max speed. But I don't see any differences. It's not working. I don't see it. What is it supposed to do? Why are you doing that? It's not doing anything. I remember it used to work. Not anymore. Oh, it did now. So if we go, oh, it does work. Look at that. Okay, well, so now we need to do. Now we need to add a control, a slider for the controller. Right? I don't know. I don't play with the controller. Do controller people? Do you guys use? Well, yeah, adding them out as a look sensitivity would be fine. Question is does this speed affect the controller? Here's a question for you. If it does, then maybe I can change this mouse sensitivity to just a look sensitivity, and then we can have the same slider. You know, there's no need to create two sliders if they're gonna do the same thing. Why is it still set to 0 and this still set to max? Someone should look into it. Oh, I remembered why it's 0, why it times 6. Okay, let's test it. Okay, and then if I do, it does work. Nice. Okay, you got it. There you go. The problem with the controller is that, hey, that's here. The problem with the controller look is that there is no dead zone. In the controller guide, I heard that people often miss the controller dead zone option. I think some people want to set the value of how much they can push the joystick without moving the camera. Okay, good to know. And next, welcome in. Yeah, I don't know. Also, with controllers, I know that like if you like if you push the thing like a little bit and full, there should be a difference in how fast it moves. And right now I don't have that implemented. So even if you touch it a little bit, it does a full speed rotation as if you're like moving it all the way. So I don't know how to do that. I need to figure that out. Xbox controllers suck. You don't want a dead zone. Why Nasir? You especially need a dead zone for Xbox brand controllers because they drift pretty quick. According to interacts with the game, no dead zone is good. No, I heard dead zone is like as is it Inex? Inex? I'm gonna go. See you next time. All right, Clorindy. Take care. Yeah, or a little dead zone. Yeah, so a little bit, a little bit. Also, yeah, the speed because here I'm running, I'm moving it, I barely touching the controller and